told you to stop bothering yourself about that man. Eh?
Well, I mean, I have tried every kind of soap. I can't seem to get it off.
Can't you say you won't use soap to wash the bed mat from? Eh? As in, sometimes I feel like
I beg. What is it? What is it? Which one be this one now? What is it? Why is it that as in that you just want to abuse me at every given opportunity?
are you sabi? Are you sabi? Are you sabi that one?
Well, where you dey go?
How? Since when you start asking me where you my director. I must tell you that you my director.
So-
What's the name?
Why be say you go one day this thing every small thing you want go just dey give me mouth? Why now? Are you being rude to me unnecessarily?
Kamsi, I will always be rude to you until you tell me why you rejected my marriage proposal. Yes, I'll be rude to you 247 non-stop.
Oh, Kamsi Ochuku. Oh, Kamsi Ochuku. Above just humans. A maiden with a pure heart of gold. Oh, Kamsi She's generous and strong and she's bold. She's gifted and she breaks not with it.
I'm just tired of his arrogance.
I suggest we meet. Yeah. Yes. That